Where to find the best sites. Plants and flowers by location. Hi. Here you will find where to solve your questions about native grasses for birds to eat. These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about native grasses for birds to eat is www.nrcs.usda.gov. See the page titled Native Warm Season Grasses and Wildlife, USDA. Here's the link. You can also try www.nsis.org, especially the page NSIS, Florida Seed-Eating Birds, Native Florida, your. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see extension.uga.edu. The web page Native Plants for Georgia Part 4, Grasses and Sedges. Here's the link.